Hi everyone, on today's episode I'm going to turn a bag of coffee beans. Oh, they smell good. Now this isn't the first episode where I've used coffee beans, because about 12 months ago I made the coffee bean mug, and 5 years ago I made the coffee bean rolling pin. Now at first I wasn't too sure what to do with this bag of beans, but after taking a sniff of this rolling pin and smelling the aroma that's still coming off these beans 5 years later, it's given me an idea. Now I don't want to give too much away, but I will be casting this bag of beans inside this massive container. Now this container holds about 3 litres, so to prevent the resin from overheating and cracking, I'll be using a deep pouring epoxy resin. Well, that's looking a bit better. I wonder how many beans are in there. I guess we can work it out if we weigh a few. There's not much left in this 1 kilo bag. So 10 beans weigh half a gram. Now we've just got to work out how many half grams are in a kilo. So if 1 kilo has 1,000 grams, that means it has 2,000 half grams. And if 10 beans is half a gram, that means there's 20,000 beans in here. Well, now that I can sleep tonight knowing how many beans I got, I need to put this in the pressure pot to cure. Well, that looks and smells amazing. So the next thing I'm going to do is pop it out of this container, glue it to a waste block, and then once it's set, I'll be able to put it on my lathe and start turning it. You know, I did contemplate leaving a base on this one, but there's just something so satisfying about holding a big ball in your hand. So once I finish sanding, I'm going to part it off and round up the bottom. So now that my workshop smells like coffee, I'm going to whip up a little stand for this sphere. And I'm going to do that by using this piece of burl. Now before we check out this beautiful piece, I wanted to remind you guys about our new channel, Ben and Nicole Vlogs. And by the time you guys are watching this video, I'll be somewhere in PNG. So if you want to see what I'm up to over there, head over to the new channel. Now one other thing before we take a look, if you guys want your office or your bedroom smelling like coffee, I've added this ornament to my Etsy store. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's take a look.